Hello foodies, welcome to Salad and Food. Today I am going to make ginger pickle. So let's start. Ingredients for the dish are as follows. First we will start by peeling the ginger. Slice the ginger as shown. Cut the lemon as shown. Split the chilies as shown. Add sliced ginger, pieces of lemon, chilies to the mixing bowl. To prepare the masala, first roast the split mustard seeds. Roast the black seeds. Roast the fennel seeds. Roast the fenugreek seeds. Grind the seeds so that they are coarse. To prepare the tadka, add mustard oil to the pan. Add mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, black seeds and fennel seeds. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt to taste. Now add the masala. Now add the masala to the mixing bowl. Mix well. Now heat some oil. Let it cool. Add the oil to the pickle jar. Ginger pickle is ready. Eat and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and Food. Thank you. See you in the next recipe.